Hello everybody and welcome to David Christopher's. I'm Jen.
I'm David.
And we are back with another episode of Christmas decorating today, and we're going to be decorating our Polo Fields tree that some of you may remember from our Up Close and Personal series, but you're going to get an even closer look at how David places the ornaments and the lanterns and all the things on the tree.
Yeah. First we're going to start with some lanterns. Not your everyday lantern. These are kind of heavy. Now we're going to be adding some of our brilliant gold. This is metallic gold eucalyptus, but it also has sequins on it so that it picks up more of the light. Now we're going to add some of our royal metallic gold sparkle berry. I can't remember. I think it's brilliant gold is what we call it. Now we're going to mix it up and we're going to add a little bit of this like an antique gold. It's almost like a brass kind of color magnolia leaf into our tree. So I did notice that as I did my tree, I have one little section here that doesn't have as much gold as I would like it to have so that my black lantern can be seen. And I ran out of my eucalyptus stems because I'm using samples. So I cut a little piece of my garland. And I'm just going to place it where the black kind of comes into the focus more just because of the gold behind it and I don't lose it on the black wall. We're going to add these red hydrangeas now. Don't be afraid to add naturals just because we have some metallic and glitter into our tree. It doesn't mean that we can't have that more natural feel in some of our pieces. We've got these beautiful plaid boxes. They're styrofoam based, but they're black and gold and red plaid on the bottom. They've got this great velvet green bow on them with a couple of bells. And then they've got this leather metallic, just a little bit of metallic in it. So we're going to get a little bit of that mixture of natural with metallic and pattern in our tree. Okay, so one, I can attach a wire to this. Basically, because this is styrofoam, I can really just poke a hole through it. And I can wire that onto my branch. I have a couple of different styles of the same package, so I'm just going to alternate these a little bit, but I'm going to use the same really technique that I used with the first one, but I want them to face different directions. Now we're going to start with some of our ornaments. Don't be afraid to use something that's slightly different shade. Two-tone can have a really good effect with certain things, especially when they're different finishes. We've added a lot of our red ornaments in, and they're giving us a nice base color. We're going to add some black to that just for some dramatic effect. More black and gold. As you can see, we have shiny with glitter, we have matte black with metallic. Two different textures. Now the last ornaments we're going to add are plaid, acrylic snowflakes, acrylic Star of Bethlehem, and we have these really great, just like the packages, wood beads with green velvet on the plaid ball. Now we're going to start working on the top of our tree. What we're going to do here is we're going to use some of the things that we use throughout the tree with adding a couple of new elements. So one of the new elements we're going to add is the ribbon. For this particular tree, I'm going to use a 1.5 inch ribbon, just like I did in the top. I'm just going to kind of weave it in and out of the tree. We're going to add some candles to our lanterns, just a little battery operated candle. We're going to add a little touch of romance with some of our gold gilded roses.
The tree looks beautiful. This is our Polo Fields theme. So if you like this theme, check out the description. You will find a link to a collection that has all of these items in it. And also go to our website, davidchristofers.com. We sell wholesale and we sell retail. So if you own your own business, you can buy from us wholesale. Anybody that doesn't own their own business, you're just doing this for fun or at your home, you can buy from us retail. We have something for everybody.